Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TWTR. Twitter, we will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and definitely some updates need to be made as it was a very impressive movement. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, those levels pertain, they're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first big update that comes into play, and actually played out perfectly today, is just based on a rule that says when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. I mean, check this out. Price gapped up, opened up above that level. So at that point, you would expect it to act, and you would want to act as support. And right there, it behaved as support, and up it went. So this is now going to be the ideal level of support, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above that 43.80-ish mark, that would be fantastic. But I mean, if the price falls below it, doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above it, that would be great. Looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, though, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there is how I'm defining, quote-unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price can stay above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, very straightforward. Party finally stopped today several times, right up around $46. And let's see, what was that? 46.50. So whenever the price got up around there, the momentum seemed to just disappear. So 46.50 will be public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, very, very impressive day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.